Dorothy Fraser, and this is the beautiful Moreton National Park in New South Wales, and I'm going to share with you how to create with nature. So I'd like you to just feel into this beautiful, beautiful space. And I want you to feel into how clean the air is. Pristine clean. And how clean is the valley. Feel the silence. And feel into the waters, the rivers and creeks and streams down in the valley. How clean are they? Crystal clear. And when you align to your great light, the great light that's within you, and live your goodness and kindness, you also are as clear and clean and pristine as this glorious, glorious valley. Every single one of us on the planet has the ability to create this beautiful, pristine, natural energy everywhere. Absolutely everywhere where we live, we have the ability to do this. Yes, we do. I ask the nature beings, when someone's in nature and they're happy, joyous, calm, what does it do to the nature beings? And what they told me is that they take the vibrations of light, of goodness, some of them, and create new colour rays, new plant species, and new animals. So just imagine for a minute that the whole human race remembers and aligns to their great light and their great goodness and kindness. And just imagine that the nature beings, beautiful beings in nature, with Creator, access aspects of that light, and with us create and create and create more and more and more beauty and glory on this incredibly beautiful planet, our home, your home, our home. This is your inheritance and your birthright from the universe, from the planet, from Creator, Divinity, God. It's also the birthright and inheritance of every single person and of nature. So, with all my heart, I ask you to remember who you are, and to be that incredible great light that you are. And co-create with nature, creating clean waters everywhere, healthy planet, exquisite air for all of us to breathe. Because that's what this planet wants. And that's the home that I live in. And that's the intention I live every day. So with all my heart, I pray that you live it as well. God bless.